In this video, I will be showing you how to use Envato Elements for beginners. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Envato Elements and click the very first link that you can see here. So this is the Envato Elements. This is the interface. Now, what is this Envato Elements that I'm talking about? So Envato Element is a creative asset subscription service that offers an infinite amount of high quality resources to meet the demands of designers, developers, marketers, and other professionals. So to get started with Envato, you can click sign in at the top corner. So after you tap this one, and then it will take you directly to this where you can sign up for your Envato account. So you can sign up with your Google, Apple, Facebook. You can type your email or username and password and sign in if you have an account already. If not, then you can simply choose from any of these three here. For me, continue with Google is the easiest. So this is what it looks like. So I have my name and my account right here. I can go to collections, dashboard, my account, or help center if I encounter some problems. So this is in Envato Element. And as you can see, there are tons of things you can do here. You can go to stock video. Okay, so there are options and features here. So you can go to all stock video. So here, what you're going to do is just simply look for the specific video that you want to download. So on the left panel, you can see here filters. So specifically, you can click the box here. For example, categories. You're looking for stock footage only, or you're looking for motion graphics. Also for resolution, you can click a specific resolution here for frame rate and for length. Also for properties. So all you have to do is to tap that specific category, resolution, frame rate, and so on. Then you will see the result after you choose the specific video that you're looking for. So you can change it. Feel free to change it if you want to change your mind. Okay, but the result is right here on the right side. Then all you have to do is to simply look the specific video that you're looking for. Now, if you have found that video and that you're going to use for your project or for whatever it is, then you can click in this area right here. You can see show similar, add to collection, and download. Okay, so if you want to look for other similar videos, tap show similar. If you want to add to collection, tap collection, and then tap download if you want to download. You can clear it again and then look for another type of video this time. We're looking for motion graphics, and then let's just say infographics. Now for resolution, you tap this 720. Now once you have found the result, then feel free to download. So let's go to video templates. You can see here After Effects, Premiere, Apple, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci, and so on. So if you want to look each of the effect, then you can click, for example, After Effects. So you can see here tons of After Effects template, and you will do the same thing. You just have to filter everything here for category, for projects, resolution, and so on. So same thing, if you have found a video, just feel free to download it. Okay, same goes with the Premiere Pro templates. And then you can see here tons of examples of Premiere Pro templates that you can use for your project, for your school project, for its education purposes or work or whatsoever. So feel free to go to this part if you want to see more effects or video effects for Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and then do the same thing, just filter, show similar, add to collection, or download the video. And if you don't want to do it one by one, if you want to see the video of an all video templates, you just have to scroll down and then click this all video templates, and all the effects will be shown right here. Let's go to music. So as you can see, we have or they have royalty free logos and dance. And if you want to see all music, all you have to do is to click this one. So as you can see, royalty free logos and items tracks. And it's the same thing. You just have to filter, okay, tap track here, tap X, tap track if you want to listen to the sample. And on the right side, you can see here the samples of royalty free logos, events, tracks. And if you want to filter again, you just have to go to the left side. If you want to listen to the song, then all you have to do is to click this play button right here. And then you can listen to the song if you wanted to. Okay, before you download, you can listen to the song. And if you don't like the song, then you can look for another one. And it's the same thing if you want to look for similar. You just have to click the circle icon right here to show for similar. If you want to add to collection, just add. And if you want to download, just tap the download button. Okay. So I have filtered and I look for that specific music. So this is the result after I filtered everything. This is the good thing about Envato. You can listen to the song before you add this to your collection, before you download it. Okay, so that's the good thing about this one. Now, after you have created a collection, and then you can go to your collection and you can listen to the song again and again. So you can subscribe to download, or you could just simply download it if you wanted to. Okay, now go to sound effects, and then you can see here game sounds. Okay, domestic, human, and so on. So if you're doing or if you want to create videos about gaming and you want a background music for that, then feel free to go to Envato. Here, aside from game sounds, you can also look and use other sounds like nature, urban, cartoon, industrial, and so on. So feel free to filter and look for the specific music and then click download. Now let's go to graphics. So you can see here backgrounds, textures, social patterns, and so on. So as you can see, it's not all about videos. It's not all about music or sound effects or templates. They also offer graphics here. So if you're a graphic designer or if your work is related to graphics, then feel free to go to Envato. You can see here tons of graphics and also presentation templates that you can use for your upcoming seminar or upcoming presentation or upcoming meeting or something like that. So as you can see here, aside from presentations, they have also photos. You can use this for your video editing. Okay. Aside from that, they also have this fonts, add-ons, web templates, and more. So everything is here actually. You don't need to go to other websites to download fonts because there are some platforms that they don't offer, free fonts. You need to download that in order for you to add. Also for add-ons, you can see here are tons of add-ons and web templates. Okay, so with Envato, probably you can do a lot of things. And the advantage of this, it offers a massive library, so you can get access to millions of digital assets in a variety of categories such as graphics, text, images, like what I've mentioned earlier, icons, textures, patterns, and more. With videos, you can see here use motion graphics, stock footage for free, After Effects templates, and more. For audio, you can see music tracks and sound effects and loops. For fonts, then extensive collection of premium fonts for a wide range of design requirements. Now let's proceed to pricing. So you will see here the features that you can get once you upgrade to individual. So this is the amount, and you can unlock these features right here. For teams, this is the amount, and you can unlock these features. And for enterprise, these are the features that you can unlock. So all you have to do is to start now and then contact sales. Okay, so you can get unlimited downloads once you upgrade your plan. So feel free to compare the templates and the features, the options, the things that you can do here with Envato Elements compared to other editing tools. As what I've said, it offers a massive library. Also, apart from that, there are tons of key benefits like unlimited downloads, commercial use licenses, cost-effective variety and efficiency, exclusive content, and community and support. So if you're a designer, developer, marketer, content creator, agencies, and businesses, this Envato element is for you. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.